Good morning, Dad. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's get something to eat. Close my fridge. I'm trying to get something. Say, close my fridge. Okay, dang. All right. I don't get nothing to eat. Hey, son, why you not getting nothing to eat? But you just told me I couldn't get nothing to eat. I paid the bills. I already paid the bills. Just get something to eat. Why would I not let you get something to eat? But you just told me. I didn't tell you nothing. Just get something to eat. You want me down here starving? Shoot, I don't make money just to eat for myself. I'll get something to eat. All right, that's what you say. All right. Close my fridge. No, that's it. I'm done. Son, what are you doing? I'm done. No, that's it. Look, son. I'm calling somebody. I'm about to order something. Just listen. What now? Get something to eat. I'm not sitting here waiting for you to starve to death and then gotta go get something at the last minute. Go get something to eat. God. This is my last time. Close my fridge. What? Are you playing games with me for real? What games? What are you talking about? I didn't say nothing. Just get something to eat. You ain't tired of this already. Fine. You said you didn't say nothing. Close my fridge. That's it. I'm leaving. Now where you going? Nah, I'm going to a restaurant. I'm done with this. Every time I go to the fridge, you tell me to close it and act like you don't even say it. I'm out, bro. For real. I'm done. So it's like that then? Working at a dead-end job, working from day to day, night to night, just to get some money to put some on your plate that you don't even want? So ungrateful. All I want you to get something for the little things I do. That's it. So ungrateful. Can't believe I raised a son like you. You know, I'm sorry, Dad. All that's so aside that, man. You know, I'm just about to get something to eat. Alright, where the sandwiches at? Since you tell me. Close my fridge. What did I tell you? I just told you to get something to eat, son. Like, are you hard-headed?